Welcome to the Ram Live Recap. Today we're going to be talking about our latest accessories for marine and paddle sports.
Join our product experts, Ashley and Rick, as they showcase the latest and greatest that Ram mounts and GDS tech have to offer. Now let's get started.
The first product I'm going to talk about today is our Ram Drill Down Marine Electronic Base. This product's going to work across a variety of different chart plotters or fish finders. What makes this such a great product is the fact that it's so versatile. So you can easily, with just the twist of this knob right here, adjust this into endless positions. That's going to come in really handy, especially if you're on a boat, you've been on the boat all day, or a kayak, and the sun changes position and it gets that glare on your screen. Simply adjust this out of the way and you're good to go. This mount is made of powder-coated marine-grade aluminum, so that's going to really withstand the elements. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. Another great feature is you can simply remove this ball on the bottom. Let me do that right now. Remove this ball on the bottom, and you can actually purchase a couple of more balls and have a variety of mounting solution or mounting locations along your boat. So let's say you are at the bow and you want to move to the stern. You can simply unscrew your mount and then attach it to another ball base that you have drilled onto your boat. It's really convenient, and even if you have a boat or a kayak, you can take this off of your boat, put it on your kayak. Incredibly versatile, incredibly rugged. This is a really great solution. This right here is our C-size ball. This is intended for more of a lighter duty, so this is going to work with your 4 to 7 inch monitors. This is our more heavy duty solution. This is our D size. Same design, larger ball and socket. This again is going to work across a variety of different fish finders and chart plotters. This is going to hold your larger screens. So this is really intended for 8 to 16 inch screens and probably more intended for a boat. Now, when you're using one of our D size ball and sockets, it's a really good idea to also use one of our high torque wrenches. That goes onto here and it just allows you to really get that leverage to really wrench this down and create that very tight hold that's going to be needed to keep this in place. It's a really awesome and handy product, easy to unscrew and to tighten. High torque wrench, it's a really great product. Here we have one of Lowrance's brand new fish finders. This is the Elite FS7. They also make it in an FS9, and our universal marine electronic mount is compatible with those fish finders. Here I have an adapter that we have made specifically for the Lowrance Hook series. This right here is the Hook 5-inch, and as you can see, this is a different connector than I was showing you earlier. This is made specifically to attach to that Hook series, and it's a diamond plate base. This is going to attach to our ball and socket system, just like everything else I'm showing you today. Simply screw this down, and you are ready to go. All of the examples I have shown you so far are our drill down solutions. So those are more of a permanent solution. And here is a semi-permanent solution. This is a really adjustable, mobile solution that will attach to any track that you have on your boat or your kayak. If you don't have a track, we have tracks for you, and I'll show you a little bit more about those in a minute. So this is a really great solution if you just want something to drop down on your track. It's easy to adjust. So here we have the track ball base. It is a T-bolt, as you can see right here, drops in easily, screws down. It's rubber, so it's really solid and strong. I'm going to adjust this, twist this knob right down, and now you have a really rugged and semi-non-permanent solution for mounting your fish finders or chart plotters. This is our universal swing arm mount for fish finders and chart plotters. As you can see, this has our universal drill down base that works with a variety of different chart plotters and fish finders. What makes this great is this swing arm allows you to really adjust in a variety of positions. So you can adjust this seamlessly. So if you have this on a boat, you want your screen in front of you, or you need it out of the way, you can do that with just the twist of this knob. You can also go even further and adjust this right here on the bottom, and this will allow you to adjust your screen alone, as opposed to adjusting the entire unit. This is made of a powder-coated marine grade aluminum, so it's going to work. It's going to withstand the elements. It's an incredibly rugged and simple solution. We also make this in a vertical mounting solution. So the one I just showed you is going to mount to a flat surface. This one's actually going to mount to the side of something. So if you want this on the side of your boat, you can actually mount that directly to the side. This mounting plate is compatible with the Humminbird Helix 8 through 15, the Apex, as well as the Solix. This is the D-size version, and this right here is the D-size ball and socket that you are going to use with this mounting plate. Now, something I want to reiterate is when you are working with these larger size mounts, these D-size or even our E-size, you're really going to want to use our high torque wrench. This is going to give you that leverage you need to really wrench this down and have a really tight hold on that ball. That's going to come in incredibly handy, especially for a larger size device like this one. This is the Helix 15. This is a large device. You're really going to want to wrench that down. Another really good reason that you're going to want to wrench this down is, let's say you're on a boat and you hit a wave. Making sure that this is wrenched completely down, your device is not going to adjust, shift, fall, anything, as long as it is wrenched down using the high torque wrench. We also have a smaller mounting plate, and that's going to work perfectly for the Humminbird Helix 5-inch. This is the Ram pin lock security nut. Now, this is a theft deterrence, and the way that it works is you take this nut and you place it into the existing knob on any D or E size socket arm. You take this pin lock and you twist it to secure. That is going to tighten that nut that's in this knob and make it virtually impossible, or actually completely impossible, to unscrew this and be able to remove this ball and therefore the device that is mounted to the top of it. To remove it, you simply unscrew this piece right here and the nut pops out. We also make a theft deterrence for the C-size arm. It is called our pin lock security knob, and that product is actually going to replace the existing knob that's on the socket arm, and that's what's going to create that theft deterrence. The Ram Cable Manager is a perfect addition for your marine electronic mount. This is actually going to mount to the bottom of your mounting solution, and it's going to hide all of those cords that are running from the battery to your fish finder or chart plotter. It's a really flush, flat surface, and it creates a very clean and streamlined look. Next, we have the Ram Tough Tube Fishing Rod Holder. This product features a 3-inch ratcheting spline. This is perfect for trolling. It allows you to adjust the angle forward and backwards, and it works on boats as well as kayaks. This is the Ram Rod Fishing Rod Holder. This is a really great product for holding your fishing rod because it is so adjustable. The spline post on the bottom will allow you to adjust in a 360-degree motion, and this ratchet on the side will allow for you to adjust forwards and backwards. It's a really great solution on a boat or kayak. The next product line I want to talk to you about is our Ram Adaptapost series. Now, this product is going to work across a variety of posts and splines from Cabela's or Scotty, Railblaza, Bass Pro. All of those are going to work with this product line. Now, all you would do is simply drop in your post and spline, and in this example, I have our Tough Tube, and this spline drops right into here. That is now engaged. Press this button on the side to release. It's incredibly easy to insert and release this product, and once it's in there and you hear that click, it's not going anywhere. Because it has this ratcheting system, you can actually put this in any direction that you want, and it's really easy to remove. Simply press that button and remove. We also have this in a 4-hole drill down. We also make it in a 2-hole drill down. The next option we have is the track option. This has 2 T-bolts on the side, and that's going to just drop down on any existing track that you may have. Slides right in, twist this down, and it's going to secure tightly. Now, if you don't have an existing track system on your boat or kayak, we have a couple of tracks that are really simple to install. Now, this one right here is our extruded aluminum track. These end pieces are really easy. Just drop the trackball into here. It's easy to adjust. Now, if you're wanting to create a longer track, you can actually use one of our connector pieces. These connector pieces will allow you to add another piece of track and just create a track, maybe if you're looking for something that will fit the entire length of your boat. This is going to help you achieve that. Here's our high-strength composite version of our track system. We have this in a variety of different sizes, and this actually comes with 2 mounting locations for extra security when it is mounted in place. The final track system I want to show you today is the Ram hand track. Now, this track is compatible with all of our other track bases. It drop-in insertion right on the sides, both of them in fact. It attaches to your boat or kayak with bolts on the side. This comes in sizes ranging from 4-inch to 30-inch, and it's really a great addition to your boat or kayak. This is the Ram Tough Pole camera mount. Now, this is a really great product, especially for those of you that are fishing by themselves and no one believes that you really caught a fish that big. You can get proof with using this product. So there is this ratcheting system on the side over here. That's what's going to adjust this piece up and down. This track node base is a really cool product. You can adjust this portion right here, so when you have this mounted in your boat or on your boat, on your kayak, it's attaching to a track system. Simply unscrew this piece right here and you can easily swing this in and out of the way. So you have this in one position while you're reeling that huge fish in, and then when you're ready to move locations or you just need it out of your way, you can simply unscrew this knob right here and push it out of the way. Another great accessory I want to talk to you about today is the Ram rollerball clip. This has a T-bolt on the bottom which will attach to any track system that you may have in your boat or kayak. This is intended to hold maybe a paddle, gaff hook, or even a net. Now, what makes this a really great product is the fact that it's actually really quiet. So let's say you're out on the water, you're all alone, you got some fish coming up, and you need to put your paddle down. You can put your paddle in here and it's going to drop down and there's not going to be a click or any sort of vibration that's going to scare the fish away. So that's just another great advantage of using this product. The Ram Tough Cleat. This is another product that is going to attach to a track system in your boat or kayak. Simply place this down, twist to secure, and it has this little wheel right here that is actually going to really wrench this down so it doesn't slip at all. So you'll be able to tie your boat off or your kayak off and have no worries that it's going to come unscrewed. This is the Ram Tough Claw Trolling Motor Stabilizer. This kit actually consists of a small tough claw that's attached to the top and a drill down base that's on the bottom. Now, this tough claw is going to attach to a variety of different poles. So you can attach your trolling motor onto here. It has these rubber grips on the inside, which is going to really grip that pole and ensure that it's not going to slip. The Ram Level Cup XL is a really great addition to your boat or kayak. This option right here comes with a tough claw, so this will attach to any square or round pole. It has this knob on the back that will adjust this to fit a 32-ounce drink. And finally, we have the Ram Tough Charge. This is our wireless charger. It's completely waterproof. It has X-Grip technology integrated inside of it, so you simply press these arms on the side to expand, drop your phone in, release to contract. This option right here comes in a tough claw, so you can attach that to a variety of different poles. This foot on the bottom adjusts up and down to fit your specific phone size. And it also includes this convenient button right here. This is going to cut power to your device if you don't need it running all the time. Thanks for watching the Ram Live Recap. If you're looking for more information on future episodes, check out our website at ramout.com.